Natalie with WTI, and if you love to host events either at your home or if you go out for events, definitely get your hands on this tablecloth from LTC Linens. I love the upgraded look it gives to my folding table. When I didn't have this, it just looked really sloppy just having a white plain table, but now my folding table is upgraded with this tablecloth. I love the material of the tablecloth. It's not see-through at all. I have mine in the color black. I like that you can easily fold up the tablecloth and take it with you. If you're going somewhere, just throw it in a bag. And it's really easy to put back on the table because of the Velcro straps on the side. It gives the table a really fitted look, which is gonna make your party look amazing. Something else that I really like about the tablecloth is that it hits the floor, so you can hide things underneath. If you're home doing a party and you're a mom like me, you need to get rid of some toys in the living room, so you can easily put things underneath and literally no one will know. Before, I used to find myself always buying plastic tablecloths, and even though they're really cheap, you're always throwing them away after a party. But with this tablecloth, you can reuse it, you can wash it if it gets dirty, and you can even steam it if you have wrinkles. It's really easy to steam. The wrinkles come right out. So definitely give an upgrade to your events or to your parties by getting this tablecloth. That's my point of view.